What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Mr. Detail Car Review, the channel where we tell you the truth about cars before they empty your bank account. Today's video is extremely important because these are 7 cars you should never buy. Not because they're ugly, not because they're slow, but because they are unreliable nightmares that constantly break down and cost a fortune to repair. If you're shopping used, watch this entire video. Car number 1. BMW 7 Series, older models. On paper, this car looks like a dream: luxury, power, status. In reality, it's a maintenance disaster. Air suspension failures, electrical glitches everywhere, oil leaks, cooling system problems, and every repair costs premium money. This car doesn't age well, and once the warranty is gone, your wallet becomes the warranty. Car number 2. Jeep Renegade. Don't let the Jeep badge fool you. This is one of the most unreliable vehicles Jeep has ever made. Transmission problems, engine stalling, constant dashboard warning lights. Owners report breakdowns at shockingly low mileage. This isn't adventure ready. It's tow truck ready. Car number 3. Fiat 500. Yes, it's small. Yes, it's stylish. But reliability? Almost non-existent. Electrical failures, poor transmission durability, and weak engine components make this car frustrating to own. It's fun for a weekend, not for long-term ownership. Car number 4. Land Rover Range Rover. Older generations. Luxury SUV, premium interior, powerful engines, and endless problems. Suspension failures, oil leaks, computer malfunctions, and repair bills that feel criminal. You don't buy this car, you inherit its problems. Car number 5. Ford Focus, 2012 to 2016, automatic. This one is infamous. That dual-clutch automatic transmission is one of the worst ever made. Shuddering, slipping, hesitation, total failure, sometimes repeatedly. Even after repairs, the problems come back. Avoid it at all costs. Car number 6. Mini Cooper, older models. Sporty looks hide serious issues underneath. Timing chain failures, oil leaks, overheating, electrical problems. Repairs are frequent and expensive, especially as mileage increases. Fun to drive, stressful to own. Car number 7. Chrysler 200. Poor engine reliability, weak transmissions, and low build quality. This car depreciates fast, for a reason. Owners deal with constant repairs and disappointing longevity. It's cheap up front, but expensive in the long run. Those are 7 unreliable cars you should never buy. If this video saved you money, hit that like button. Subscribe to Mr. Detail Car Review for honest reviews, real advice, and no sugarcoating. Comment below, which car surprised you the most?